So I bought this from my local big box garden center. It's a 1-year-old hydrangea, bare root. It was $9.98. The best way to try out a plant, cheap. I don't know a whole lot about hydrangeas. I don't know if I'll be able to grow them. I don't know if they will like where I put them. I'm gonna grow it in a pot this year. I'm gonna let it be its garden center size by the end of the season, and then I'm gonna put it in the ground next year. I'll put the pot where I plan on planting it, or I'll find out if that light and that particular situation is not right for it, and I'll be able to move it without disturbing it because it'll be in a pot. Always thinking.
Always thinking.
So I'm excited to see how this plant does. We'll post a follow-up video later. I plan today to get that lilac in a container, the bare root tree as well. I'll take some pictures and include those here. But we will see you in the next one. Bye.